Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back. So a Nail Crew sister asked me to make a video about the companies I know having a sale, right? I thought that was a brilliant idea. So let's start with the Pottle. I know the Pottle is having a Black Friday sale that is extended all the way until December. Do you hear me? All the way. Like, she just said, you know what? Let's just bring out 2020 with a bang, you guys. So I'm starting with the Pottle, and I will try to do videos on companies that I know that's having a sale so that you guys know where to spend your money. So let's just dive on in. Let's start with the cutest lamp, you guys. Look at that bag that it comes in. Okay, cute little bag. Okay, all right. Then, of course, you get some instructions. So this is what the booklet looks like. I will not be reading these to you, but just know that you're going to get a cute little lamp, and it's going to come with instructions on how to use it. But also, darlings, I will be showing you in this video. I'm going to do the unboxing, and then at the end, I will do a demo. So watch the entire video. But again, this is what the lamp looks like. So stinking cute. You guys have seen me use the black one several times. I absolutely love it. And now I have the matching sister in white. Look at that. Ebony and ivory. Nikki, why do you embarrass yourself every time you get on this YouTube? All right, so here we go. Moving on. I have some files, and I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to open this pack, and you'll see why. But here are some files. Okay, so I'm going to put those down. These are the files I want to open, honey. Yes, you see that little metal piece right there? Yes, this is what I want to open right here. Let me just dive on it. Let me speed this up, darlings. Okay, so this white one, you see that? That's the same that's in the multi-pack of files. So I just wanted to show you, and that's why I didn't want to open them both up, because it's the same thing. So you get a nice, coarse, square file, and I love a good coarse file. You guys hear me say that all the time. Now this little metal piece I love. So you peel off the backing off the file, and then you just stick it to the metal piece, and what the metal piece does is it gives firmness to files. It gives the file like a firmness so that when you're filing the nail, the file isn't bending and flopping and distorting the shape of the nail. It actually allows you to get a better, crisper shape when shaping a nail. So I really do like those. And then when you're done, you just peel off the used portion, toss it. You could wipe down the metal piece and stick a clean one on, and you're ready to go for the next client. All right, so I also want to show you guys the top coat. Listen, you guys have seen me use this before. You guys know it's the bomb. You know I love it, but I will be using it again today. Another favorite of mine is this plasma gel, honey, and you guys have seen me use it time and time again. I've done my own nails with it. I use it for bling gel. I love the plasma gel, but I'll be using it again today. So if you're new here, you'll see me use it. So if you have the plasma gel, you might also want to get the Pottle. This is her signature item, guys. It's a pot, it's a bottle, it's a Pottle. Duh, hello. So what you do is you put all your goodies inside of it, use the mixing tool, mix it, and then voila, paint on the nails. Like, duh. It's like the most genius invention ever, okay? And then you can also buy like separate pots. So let's just say you had a beautiful glitter creation in one pot, right? But then you wanted to make something else in another pot. Then all you have to do is switch the lids. Like, duh, so easy. Clean it off, switch the lids, and then you're good to go with your new creation. I just love it. It's recyclable, guys. All my lovelies out there that love to recycle, the Pottle is for you. Then I also have another mixing tool. So I have two mixing tools. Like, I'm just ready to mix. Like, we're going to mix something today, okay? So let me show you guys the glitter. Now listen, I'm just going to hush up. I'm going to show you guys the glitter. We're just going to have a glitter moment. I'll find some good music. I'll play the music in the background. You guys can... Okay, let me just shut up. the last one, and it was really hard to pick a favorite, but I saved the best for last in my opinion. So I feel like this blue one is my favorite. I loved all of them though. There was really some festive ones like the red and green one. I think that's beautiful for the holidays, but the blue one to me seems like all year round. Even like the purple and green one, that seems very Mardi Gras to me. So I love that one too. They are all super cute. Let me know which one is your favorite glitter. Again, I don't know. They were all beautiful. So this is everything that I got today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing portion of this video. And now it's time for the demo. Here we go. So I have my bottle and I have my plasma gel, and I'm just going to pour some gel in here. Now listen, this is an experiment and I don't want to be wasteful. So I'm only putting a little bit. We're making a little bit, okay? Because I don't know what's going to happen and I just don't want to waste my plasma gel. I don't want to be wasteful, so I'm making a little bit. I do encourage you guys to do the same thing. Start off with a tiny bit of glitter and gel and whatever else, and then if you love it, then make more. And if you hate it, well, no big deal, right? You really didn't waste a lot of product. So again, here we go. And I'm using the tiniest of everything today because I just don't know what's going to happen. All right, so in addition to the bottle goodies, the polishes that I'm using is from Model 1s, okay? And I think Model 1s is also having a sale. You guys, a lot of the times when companies are having these really big sales, coupon codes don't work. So I'm going to tell you right now for the bottle, her sale is going to be so good, my coupon code will not work while her Black Friday sale is going on. So that's still fine. Like, I'm still going to promote her products because I love them that much. Like, I really don't care if my coupon code works or not. You guys, this is some dope stuff and you guys should really try it, especially now that there is a sale. Same thing with Model 1s. Like, I don't think my coupon code is working for them either during their sale. But you know what? It really doesn't matter because these sales are so good. I don't think you really need a coupon code anyway. So you guys, I'm mixing and the color is gorgeous, right? But I needed a little, just a scooch, just a little bit more glitter, just a little bit more, just a scooch, okay? This color is so beautiful, you guys. This was not even the color that I was trying to make. This was an accident. Like, I was trying to go for a more fall type orange. I legit was trying to go for a fall orange. Like, I don't know, like more of a burnt type orange. I don't know, but whatever. The color that I ended up with, I love it. So here we go, okay? My nail was prepped off camera. If you guys don't know how to prep, I do have a full detailed prep video and I will link that in the description box. So I went ahead and put the primer on the nail and then I added base coat. Any base coat will work. Today I'm using the one from Princess Nails by Diana. I love that base coat. I added the base coat and then I used the bottle lamp to cure it for a full 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with my beautiful concoction. I don't even know what to call this color, but I am making a slip layer. So the way that you make a slip layer, ladies and gentlemen, is to just brush on the gel. Just like if you were brushing on base coat, you just cover the entire nail. That's it. You don't cure it. You don't do anything. You just apply it to the nail. Then we're going to scoop up a nice bead. We're going to apply it close to the cuticle area, not on the cuticle, ladies and gentlemen, but close, all right? So I applied my bead close to the cuticle area, and then I'm using my brush to feather and pillow it down. Also, if you notice, I'm holding the nail down so that gravity can help me. And because this gel is nice and thick, I can hold the nail down and it's not going to fall down the nail. You see what I mean? I left it there. I didn't even cure it, but I needed another scoop of gel. I needed another bead and it didn't even move off the nail. That's why I love the plasma gel. It's so thick, it just stays where you put it. It has a really nice consistency, you guys. So anyway, I added my second bead of gel. and I pillowed it down the nail. And again, I'm running out. No big deal. I'm just going to grab another small bead and apply it to the area that I needed and pillow it down. So basically that's it, you guys. Like, doing gel nails is so easy. Here come my third bead. I'm going to plop it right where I left off and pillow it down the nail. And again, the gel consistency is so perfect that it's allowing me to do what I needed to do without falling off the nail. So look at that. Look at that color, guys. Look at my color. I'm going to name this Nail Crew. The name of this color is Nail Crew. Period. 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 You guys, this Nail Crew color is lit. You guys, so that is only one layer. So now I'm going to apply my second layer. So you guys know adding a second layer is optional, but I like my nails a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger, and I just feel like adding a second layer is just safe, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. I'm adding a second layer. So just like I did before, I take a bead of gel, I apply it close to the cuticle area, but not on the cuticle area. I hold the nail down so that gravity can help me, and I take my brush and I barely make contact with the brush and the gel. And I use the brush to walk the gel down the nails, but it's a slow walk, you know, it's a very slow, you kind of just let the gel do all the work and you use the brush to just guide it where you want it to go. When you run out of gel, scoop up another little bead, place it on the nail where you ran out, continue walking the gel down the nail, and that is it. Like, that is it. Once you've reached the end of the nail, then you cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. That is it. And you get a beautiful nail. You guys, look at that. That is beautiful. So now let me go ahead and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. Oh my gosh. I held the lamp too close to the gel and smashed it. Oh my gosh. I had to take a break. I had to take a break and scream off camera because the gel is now smashed because I held the lamp too close. You guys, I'm so sad right now. But my color still looks pretty. Like, the color that I made is just cheering me up because it's so beautiful. But yeah, it's just not as beautiful as anyway. So once the nails are fully cured in the lamp, then you could file them. Gel nails, you could file any way that you want, okay? You could file with a hand file like I'm doing today, but you could also file with an e-file. And in fact, if these were done on my nails, I'd be filing with an e-file just because that's my preference. I really do like using an e-file. However, I want to show you guys that you can use a hand file as well. You could use a hand file, especially if you have a hand file that's nice and coarse like the one that I'm using today. So for video purposes, I'm just going to use a hand file just so that you guys out there that are new don't feel overwhelmed like you have to go out and buy a ton of equipment, okay? So this way you can get some quarantine nails at home without an e-file. So now I'm adding in my bling, and I'm adding bling today on with base coat. Would I add bling on with base coat if these were my nails? No, I would not. If I was doing my nails and I had to hold my bling on, I would just use the plasma gel. Okay, the plasma gel will hold your stones on for years. Like, you put your stones on with that, they're going nowhere. But for the sake of the video, you guys, because I'm not trying to use up all my plasma gel, I'm just going to use regular base coat to hold my stones on. So I applied the base coat gel, but pretend I actually applied plasma gel, okay? So I applied that to the nails, and then I placed my stones in there. I kind of moved them around until I was happy, and then I used my Pottle lamp to cure it for a full 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the top coat from the Pottle. You guys, this stuff is so creamy. The consistency is nice, and the shine lasts for a really, really long time. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up so you can see what I'm seeing over here. During the sale, you guys, I really want you guys to try the top coat. You guys won't be disappointed. Also, the plasma gel, you guys need that in your life. And this lamp, you guys, you need that. There's actually a lot of other really cool and cute things reviews on their site. But just for memory's sake, I would say like those are like my top 3 picks from the bottle. Check them out yourself and let me know what you think. All right, you guys, time for my nail crew member spotlight, and today's nail sister goes to Miss Sean Wilfong. Lord, I hope I pronounced that right. Thank you so much for your love, your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say thank you enough. Nail crew, drop a hey girl, hey in the comments so Sean could know we all love her. Thank you. You support me, and now I'm supporting you. I hope I said your name right. If not, please just don't be mad at me. All right, guys, this is what the nail looks like. I think it came out so cute. My color combination, you guys, I whipped that thing up so good. I whipped that. Did you guys see me whipping that color up? Did you see me whipping it up? It came out so pretty. Like, I love it. I wouldn't change anything about this color. No, it's not the color that I tried to make, okay? It's not. I tried to make a fall winter color. It turned into spring summer, but I'm okay with it because I live in Florida and we got spring summer all year round. So I love it, you guys. I love it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Bye.